Well, how do you connect sound to your action cam? As you've seen, I've got the Insta360 Ace Pro 2, and I now want to connect some sound to it. So, hidden under the scarf is what I'm going to use. So, without further ado, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Rider Ramblings. Today we're going to discuss adding a microphone to the Insta360 Ace Pro 2. And I have decided to use the DJI Mic Mini. And because I don't need the receiver, or I don't think I need the receiver, I've just bought the transmitter. That's all I have bought. So without further ado, let's have a look what's in the box, if I can get it open. That will be the next trick. I'm actually standing behind the camera, which is a problem. Right, so what's in the box? You have a document, which we will come to in a moment, and a plastic bag, inside which is... ooh, that's nice. That is nice. It is. Can't see anything, the screen's gone off. Okay, there we go. Yes, you've got a pouch. So let's see what's inside, if I can get the thing open. I seem to have got myself all caught up. Right, let's have a look. So inside the pouch, there are 1, 2, 3, 4 little pockets and a big pocket. So where shall we start? Let's start here and see what we've got. Aha! It's the Mic Mini itself. It is. Wow, that is absolutely tiny. And when I mean tiny, that's tiny. That is 1 inch by 1 inch by... well, the mic itself is 1/2 inch, and then the clip is about 1/4 inch. On the back, there is a magnet. Ooh, and it's a strong magnet. It is. And a clip. Difficult to see because of how small it is. On the side, we have 2 buttons. Power, and I think that's a connect button. At the top you have the microphone itself and a couple of holes, and at the bottom you've got the connection pins. So what else do we have? We have USB-C to standard USB for charging, but we need to find that. Oh, okay. This looks like it's the dead cats. Or what do you call these dead kittens, because they're smaller? Sorry. Ah, very interesting. So at the bottom there is a plastic clip followed by the dead cat itself. So there is a one-way, it'll only fit one way around. These 2 prongs go on the back. So let's see what happens. I've not done this. I mean, this. Oh, so you press it down. That's solid. That is definitely solid. And you get a spare dead cat. Should we call it a dead kitten? I don't know. Probably very very politically incorrect. Oh, what else is there? There's some silica gel, as per usual. And oh, this must be the charging port. So let's have a look. Yes, it is. It's the charging port. So oh, it's magnetic. It is. Everything is magnetic. So that connects into there and you can charge it. And with the dead cat on it, it's you can just still see the indicator lights. Let's say it's a USB-C, USB-C, and let's try turning it on. We have a green light, flashing green light, so obviously it's trying to connect to something, but there's nothing to connect to. And the light on the other side is not flashing. So that will be the connect button. I'm going to switch it off for now, and we will read the instructions, and then a bit later I will mount the other camera and we will have a look at how how to connect it to the DJI, because there does seem to be a way. Right, instructions. I don't know if you can see that, but it's very, very basic indeed. We've seen the Mic Mini, we've seen the Insta360 Ace Pro 2. Now what we need to do is sort of connect everything together. So you've probably seen this phone before. I'm using a lens cloth just to protect everything. This is the phone that I use on the left-hand handlebar, which is usually showing Waze or 𝗪𝗵𝗄𝗏. So we first of all need to download, which I've already done, the DJI Mimo app, which is here, and we now need to connect the DJI Mic Mini to, it's flashing already, so we need to connect it to the Bluetooth, not that one, connected devices, can't see, pair a new device, it's flashing, available devices, it's having a bit of a think, maybe if I press that button, that's better, aha, right, okay, and pair with it, yes, pair. So I'm now paired. Oh, 90% battery. I don't know if you can see that on there. It's probably not a good idea. Right, so let's close that and we'll go to the DJI app. Now I'm told that because I don't have the receiver, there's very little on the DJI Mimo app that I can do. So first of all, I need to connect. So it's found it, so press connect. It may ask me if I want to do some sort of data. And these are the settings. So if there's a red dot on about devices, then there is a firmware update. But as you can see, this seems to have the latest firmware update, and the only things that you can actually change are auto off, so after 15 minutes of no connection it will switch itself off, using the power button for noise cancellation, which is probably a good idea, and switching off the LEDs on the mic, and that's about it. So if we go back, that's everything I can do. I mean, I can edit videos and this type of thing, but there's nothing else I can actually do. So I've connected it to the phone to do the updates. Now I need to I don't actually need to disconnect it from the phone, but I am going to, because I don't want it connecting to this phone at all ever. So I shall click on it and click on forget and forget the device. So as you can see, I've got 𝗪𝗏𝗏. Right, so that's the phone finished with. We can switch it off, and now we need to come to the camera. Now, I haven't done this before, so I'm learning at the same time as you. So let's see what happens. Now, if I remember rightly, you swipe down, so you can see I have AI enabled. This thing here allows me just to press that button to start, if the camera is off, to start actually taking video immediately. So it'll start the camera and then start taking video immediately. This is a screen lock. I'm not using gestures because I do put my hand up towards my face to open the visor and things like this. So I've decided not to use gestures, and I might use voice commands, but I need to test that first. So we need to connect the microphone. So here we go. No Bluetooth connect. So it says connect now. So let's have a look. Press that button. It's flashing. So I'm searching for Bluetooth devices. As I say, I haven't done this before, so I have no idea. Oh, it's found it. Yep. Enable to use multiple mics. Enable dual track. Yes, dual track. So it's as easy as that. It seems that everything is now enabled. Oh, that's interesting. We will do a test of this later on, but I need to see how it works first. Okay, so please like, comment, share and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.